This is how to transfer an RRSP from CIBC to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, on this bottom bar there's 4 different options. Select the one with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts, and then select Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Once you're here, it's going to ask where your investment account is located. If you were to scroll down a little bit here, you will find CIBC. And then you can go ahead and select where your investments are being held at CIBC. So for this demonstration, I will select Investor's Edge slash Wood Gundy and then press Next. You can then sign into CIBC through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will be doing in this demonstration. Now, because we want to transfer over the RRSP account, I will make sure that the RRSP is selected and then press Next. You can then proceed with filling in the required information, and once that is done, you should be able to complete the transfer. So that is how to transfer an RRSP account from CIBC to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.